For this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Linktree. So it is a fantastic tool that helps you share all of your important links in one place. So whether you are a content creator, a business owner, or just someone who wants to organize multiple links, so this is the tutorial for you. So first off, what exactly is Linktree? So Linktree is a platform that allows you to create a simple, shareable landing page containing all of your important links. So instead of just putting your one link or putting one link in your social media bios, you can now share multiple links that lead to your website, other social media platforms, products, or anything else you'd like to showcase. So now let's dive into how to get started. So first, just head over to the Linktree's official website. So you just need to type in linktr.ee on your browser. So once you are in here, you can create an account using your email, or you can use the sign up button right here. Once click the sign up for free button situated on the upper right corner of your screen, and you have an option to create an account using or setting up an email and password, but you can also sign up with your Google account, and that is what I'm going to do with mine. So fill in your email and password if you want to do that. Now, after creating account, you just need then to create or to construct a username for your account. So I'm going with this one, hit continue. And once you have put up your username, you then need to select the plan that you want to use for your free trial. But you have here the options. So you have a free account. So this is just the unlimited links, or this only will allow you to have unlimited links. But for the starter, you have also this features right here. You can upgrade options, monetization support with affiliate marketing tools, scheduling, audience insights, and more. But for this tutorial, I am going with a pro section. So these are the features for that account. So don't worry because this is free for 7 days. So you can just try it for free. So I'm just going with this one, check it, and hit try pro for free. Now, once you have done that, you just need to fill in all of your payment information. So if you're using a card, you just need to fill in all of your information right here, your card number, expiration date, security code, and you just need also to hit or to select all of, or sorry, to fill in all of your billing details on this section. So now once you have done all of that, then the start your free trial button will turn into blue, so you just need to select start your free trial. So after doing so, you just need then to customize all of or your account. So you can pick your theme, you can set up your profile picture, and you can select the links or the social media links that you want to add to your Linktree account. So I'm not going to show that to you, but what we are going to do next is to head over to the dashboard. Now, once you have successfully created an account, customized it, added your profile picture and all of your links, then you'll be prompted to go to the admin page or the dashboard page of Linktree. So now this is what you should be able to see. You'll be able to see this add link button situated on the center part of your screen. And if you have added all of your links for other social media platforms, you'll be able to see that in here. So I have here TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, but you have different really for yours. And on the right part, this is where you'll see a demo version for your landing page in Linktree. So now I am going to teach you, if you haven't yet added your links to your social media accounts, or for your social media accounts to be placed on your landing page. So I have here YouTube. So I'm just going to type in or paste in the link for my account, but I am only using the official link for YouTube right now since I don't have an account yet in YouTube. I'm just going to basically do the same for TikTok. So don't worry because all of these are just for demonstration purposes. So now once you have added your link, so I'm going with TikTok link. So you can also tweak some settings right here. So you can display TikTok profile videos, display TikTok profile only, or go directly to your URL. And you can also select or connect your TikTok account display to your profile videos, and you can also add another account. So for the layout, you can add that. So you can go for a classic version or layout or a featured layout. So I'm going with the classic one. Now you can basically do the same for your Instagram. So I'm going with Instagram.com. Here you go. And then now, if you want to tweak some changes for your links, so you can access all of that on this section, bottom part. So just below your links for each of your social media. So you can go for the layout again. You can use classic, featured, and then for this one, you can use for the redirect feature. And if you want to add thumbnail, you can set that in this section, and you can also set it as prioritize, or you can schedule it which time that you want to share or to have your account available to your audience, so you can schedule that and you can lock it also. And if you want to see the analytics, you can just access that on this section right here, so you can use or you can see the insights overview and also the subscribers. So you can set the date for it if you also want to do that. Now make sure to toggle on this or the social media that you wanted to add to your Linktree landing page. So I have here, I have toggled on the YouTube and the Instagram, hence it is already available in my landing page right here. So again, just make sure you do that. And if you want to access your archive section, just hit this view archive section right here. Now, for the appearance, if you want to edit or to change the layout of your landing page, go to the appearance section. It should be situated on the left sidebar of your screen. So now in the appearance section, this is where you can change or customize the appearance of your landing page. So for the first section, you just need to edit your profile or customize your profile. So you can change your profile picture, the image style for it. You have classic hero. You can change your profile title and also add something to your bio. So now, once you have or once you're satisfied with what you have for your profile, once you scroll down, this is where you can see all of the themes that are available for you to use for your landing page. So I'm just going to select a different one for mine. So I'm going with this breeze pink right here and wait and see what that will look like on my landing page. So there you go. But if you don't want to use any of these themes, what you can do also is to create your own. So for the first option that you have here, it says right here, create your own. So once you click onto it, then you'll be prompted to go on to the section of the appearance section right here. So you can go to the backgrounds first. So you can go for a flat color, gradient, image, video, polka stripe, and so on. But for mine, I'm going with the gradient, and you can select the color once you click on to this one and use the slider right here to go to the palette or the color shade that you want to use in your landing page. So I'm going with this one, satisfied with that. And you can also opt to select the direction of the gradient. So you can go for the gradient up and go for the gradient down. So I'm going with that one. Select gradient down. And then once I scroll down, also this is where I can customize all of the buttons for my landing page. So you can go for the feel. You can go for this rectangle one, this more rounded edge buttons. So I'm going to select the last one, and also you can go for outline. You can change the outline. You can go for the soft shadow also, hard shadow options, and then for the special frames for your buttons, you can do that on this section, or you can select that on this option or from these options. So for the button color, you can select again this square like color right here, and then use again or utilize again this slider, or you can just simply type in the code for the specific color that you want to use for your button. You can basically do the same for the button font color. And again, once you scroll down, you can go now to the fonts. So select or click onto the section for you to be able to see all of the fonts that are available for you to use. So I'm going with this one, Calistoga, and then hit save. And then that will be applied to my landing page, as you can see. And again, for the color, you can basically do the same. So I'm just going to select for you. I'm just going to select for a white one. There you go. And then that will be applied to my landing page. And then you can also opt to hide the Linktree logo available on the bottom part of your landing page. So you can just toggle this on and the logo Linktree will disappear. So this feature will only or is only available for a pro account. So if you don't have a pro account, you won't be able to do that. Now for the sharing preview, you can custom the background color. So you can go for a pink one, white one, black one, but you can again use different colors by using this color palette right here. So I'm going with the pink one. Now, once you have added all of your links and customize your page to your liking, and if you're already satisfied with what you have, it is time to share it with the world. So just copy your unique Linktree URL. So just hit this share button situated on the upper right corner of your screen. So you can add that to your socials. You can share your link. You can also access your QR code, share a profile picture, and open your Linktree. Or you can just simply hit this copy button right here, and then you just need to paste it to the bio or on your bio of your social media accounts, just like your Instagram or your TikTok account or whatever platform that you want to post your link to. And after that, with just one click, your audience will have access to everything that you want to share. And also, Linktree offers analytics to see how many clicks your links are getting, so which can be incredibly useful for tracking your audience behavior. So, if you want more advanced features like more detailed analytics, custom themes, or integrations, you might consider upgrading to one of Linktree's paid plans if you are using a free one. So again, you can just access the analytics by going to the analytics section. It should be situated again on the left sidebar of your screen. So you'll be able to see your views, the clicks, click rate, and also your subscribers. So that's basically it. That is how you can use Linktree. So I hope this tutorial helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.